Good evening, everyone. Happy Diwali once again. Hope all of you are doing well. You are happy, enjoying this moment. So, yesterday I shared an update about the upcoming onboarding and few other miscellaneous update from here and there. So, a few of you actually reached out by mentioning or asking me to share some information about device allocation, or when you get onboarded, how exactly the laptops or desktop, the hardware would be dispatched to you. So let me go ahead and put it in this way. So during in CSD, while you are in this continuous skill development program, though you are right now onboarded, a lot of crackers which are going on. Okay, so though you are onboarded, you do not get any device dispatched to you as of now because you are not in the payroll for the organization. So you would be using your own device for your training purpose. Now, if you have to go ahead and use a particular software which is there in your learning track, you might be asked to come to office and go ahead and use the desktops in the training facility. So that's for CSD. However, if you are doing an internship, or if you are a regular, or you are a full-time employee, a regular agency, in that case, yes, device allocation is going to happen. Now, even in CSD, once you have been onboarded as an FTE, device allocation will happen. Now, comes to the phase where it's let me talk about device allocation for interns, agencies, or full-time employees. So your device allocation or your device I would say get assigned with you the day once you have been onboarded within next 1 or 2 days. So usually it takes about 14 days to within a month in which the device will be shipped to you. So address will be taken from you, address where the device need to be shipped out, details will be taken from you, all the information will be collected, and based on the device allocation is going to happen. So you guys need to log on to something called 1IT. You'll be able to see that once you log into one cognizant. So under 1IT, from that particular tool you can go ahead and apply for your laptops. Now, as I said, 14 days to 1 month during the interview, it will be shipped to you, you will receive it. However, if you are at location, you can just go ahead and let the IT team know that you can go ahead and collect the device from the office itself if you are nearby. In that case, it will actually remove that part where it takes about the time of 14 days. So the logistic part will be removed if you collect the device directly from office. Now, you are an intern. So during internship, you do not get any device. Okay, or any device would not be shipped to you. Now, previously desktops were used to be shipped out, but right now you will not get any unless you are in a particular learning path which requires particular software need to be tested, where you need that software for your training purpose. In those scenario, those are few exceptional cases where a device or laptops would be assigned. However, if you do not, if you are a regular agency, where I mean not agency, if you are an intern and you do not have any such prerequisite for any such software, then you have to use the desktops which is available in the training facility. Now, in EAS, okay, I guess in service line and few other service line, there is a need of few particular software. Okay, and as I said, interns do not get any laptops or a desktop. So these software needs to be installed on your system and need to be used on. Now you will not be able to use it if you're an intern, okay, because you would need company, or the software can only be installed if you have a company provided laptop, or if the device is registered with your name or tagged with your name. And if you are an intern, you will not be able to install it. So what to do in those situation or scenarios? If you are an intern, you need a software that needs to be installed on the system. You have to first tag the training system or the training desktop at your name. You can do that from 1IT. So any device that get assigned to you, you can tag that device, or you should tag those device with your name from 1IT. Once you tag it, then you can go ahead and do a software request. As an FTE, by default, you will get a laptop or a desktop shipped to you, or you can collect it from office. You will be using those things. I mean, you will be using that device for your official work. So even you are in training, you are an FTE, you will still have a laptop. So in training facility, you will be assigned a seat. However, the desktop will not be assigned to you because you will have a laptop. Now, that's about device allocation. Now, what about the network or the data card? So once you have the device allocated to you, please keep on checking the status of the device from 1IT. Check where it's pending, if it is pending at all. If it is stuck for any authorization or any approval, please check with the approver and get it done. Once that has been done, please apply for a data card as well. So the data card will provide you I guess about 2 GB. So it's very less. However, it will suffice with your training. If you are in a location, you will have Wi-Fi set up from the organization. You can use that, or you can use the regular LAN as well. So the data card is actually for usage at home. Later on, once you move into project, you can just go ahead and return the data card. You should actually return the data card, but before you do that, check with your project. Check if your project approves reimbursement. If your project does approve reimbursement, in that case, return the data card and go for the Wi-Fi reimbursement. I guess you get about 1600 to 700 bucks for that, but your project needs to approve it, so check it first. Now that's about data card. And in case if you have to go ahead and return the system, you will return the system is when you're leaving the organization, you will do it from 1IT as well. Okay, what about software installation? So if there is any particular software that needs to be installed in your system, for an example, for SAP, you need to install software in your device. For MuleSoft, I guess, and for JMeter, few particular software that needs to be installed on your system separately. You might also need to have port access and all that, firewall access and all that. If that's what it is, if a particular software needs to be installed, you can only install software on a company asset from 1IT itself. So from 1IT, you do the software request. IT team will help you to install it. But do not try and install any software from your side, like downloading from something from internet and trying to install on official PC or laptop. You shouldn't do it. Okay, so apply for software from 1IT. If your desktop or device has already been assigned to you, if you haven't received it, please go into 1IT, check where it's pending, reach out to the approver if it is waiting for any approval. And if you are an intern, please use the office provided desktop which is in the training facilities. If there is a software that needs to be installed on the system, you need to tag them on your name and then you do the installation. Ask 1IT to install it on your system. And as a CSD, you will be using your own desktop or own devices, but later on, once you have been onboarded, you will receive the laptops. Okay, so that's the update about the device allocation that happens in training, during internship or during your agency training itself. That's about it, guys. That's all for the video today. However, I will also like to go ahead and share few clippings of the pre-Diwali celebration that happened in office. So once you are onboarded, try and work from location. Okay, do not request for work from home, because it's I would say it's a unique experience to have training from office. If this is your first job, you will learn a lot. You will build your own network. You will get to meet new people. You will get to know a lot of leaders as well. And if you're in location, if you are in Kolkata location, I will get the chance to meet you guys. Okay, so with that, I will share few clippings or I would say few video clippings and few pictures as well for the pre-Diwali celebration that we did in our office last Friday. Every location, excuse me, every location this celebration has happened. Okay, hope you will like that videos as well, like the way you like these videos. So if you like them, put a comment. Let me know if there is anything else, any other particular topic that you want me to talk about like this, because this is something that nobody would ever cover it, like device allocation and all that. Unless you are a part of the organization, you will never know it. Okay, so that's about it, guys. Enjoy Diwali, be safe, be responsible, enjoy the videos as well. And once you get onboarded in Kolkata location, do meet me. Happy Diwali once again, guys. Take care of yourself. Watch the video after this. Bye.
উজলে উজলা তলে ডুবলো সনাতন সারানা পেল সারানা পেজ দর্শন নদীর ধারে কাছে বধূ মিছাই করো হিরি হিরি কালো দ্বীপ বিছে বারো মেদিনীপুরে রায় নাসিরন বাঁকুড়ার ওই পিতা আর যতন করে বাঁধলি মাথা তাও যে বাঁকা সিথা পারিয়া রাজকুমারী গলায় চন্দ্রমা দিনে দিনে বর্ষে তোমার চুলেরি বা কিনারে পলাশের বন পলাবো মন কিনারে পলাশের বন পলাবো মন ইন্দুরে ধান কাটে এ কাটে রে ভিতরে পীড়িতের ফুল ফুটে
आज भी वही कि दिल फिर बेकरार है, खड़ा हूँ आज भी वही कि तेरा इंतजार है। छू जो मुझे तुम कभी, खो न जाऊं मैं रात दिन, नजरों में तुम हो बसे। कह दो जो तुम एक बार, मेरे हो बस तुम मेरे, नजरों में तुम हो बसे।
হাওয়ায় মাতালো দোলে মন দোলে অকারণ হরষে মোর ভাবনারে কি হাওয়ায় মাতালো দোলে মন দোলে অকারণ হরষে হৃদয় গগনে সজল ঘন নবীন মেঘে রসের ধারা বরষে মোর ভাবনারে কি হাওয়ায় মাতালো দোলে মন দোলে অকারণ হরষে।